Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given that we have to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 10 sides, right? So we have to find the measure of each exterior angle. So for that we need to find a relation between the number of sides of a regular polygon and the measure of each exterior angle. So the relation says that number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree upon the measure of each exterior angle. Now since this is a regular polygon, so each exterior angle will have the same measure. Now if number of so the number of sides of the polygon is given as 10. So 10 will be equals 360 degrees upon exterior angle. Therefore exterior angle will be equals 360 degrees upon 10, which is nothing but 36 degrees. So this will be the final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.